Welcome students of class 4 to your new GK class. And today students, I am going to discuss with you the topic, the number 4. 4 is also a very important number, and some important things are there which comes in the bunch of 4 only. Okay, so let us see. Here I am going to do question A. Here are 8 groups of 4 each. The first is filled in. Complete the others. The first letter of each is given to you. So here you have been given some topics and fill in the 4 answer here. Rest of the 4, which is the bunch of 4, we have to write it down. So here basic blood groups, that is A, B, AB, O, we all know. These are the basic blood groups. Next comes cardinal directions. So directions means we know there are 4 directions, that is north, east, west and south. Right? Next comes basic maths operation. So basic maths operations depends on which 4 symbols, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the basic maths. Next comes operation of maths. Next comes suits in cards. So cards are having 4 signs, that is spades, hearts, clubs and diamonds. Right? Those who are aware of this one, those who have seen the cards, they will understand that this is the 4 symbols which cards are having: spades, hearts, clubs and diamonds. Next comes the houses of Howards. This is related to Harry Potter novel, the 7 series of Harry Potter novel, and there were 4 houses, that is Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw and Slytherin. Okay, these are the 4 houses. Now next let us go for giant planets. Which are the giant planets? So I am going to rub the first 2. And here comes the giant planet. That is, the first one is Jupiter. Next one is Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 4 giant planets. Next comes states of matter. So you know solid, liquid, gas and plasma. These are the 4 stages of matter. These are the 4 states of matter. It can be in solid form, it can be in liquid form, it can be in gas form, or it can be in plasma form. And strokes of swimming. Even swimming are having 4 different types of strokes. And what are they? They are freestyle, then after breaststroke, next is breaststroke and backstroke. I am writing 2 more just below this one. This is the third one, backstroke, and the next one is butterfly. You can even write strokes, okay? Butterfly style. So these are the 4 types of strokes or styles of swimming. Now question number B. Of which type of tooth does an adult human being have 4? We are having the adult human being, not the kids. The adult human being are having only 4 this type of teeth, that is known as canine teeth. Okay, I hope everyone has completed this part. So I am rubbing. And here comes the first one, that is canine. The second one, in which sport does the playing arena has 4 bases? So this is the arena where 4 bases are there, and the name of the sport is baseball. Okay, so the second one comes. Which unit of storage in computer equals 4 bits? So you know 1 bit is equal to how much, 1 kilobit is equal to how much, how, right? In that way 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble. Next comes, people of which religion believe in the 4 great truths? They are believing in the 4 great truths. Actually they are believing in 8 great truths, but the basic 4 great truths are, this religion is named as Buddhism. And which are those 4 great truths, you know? It is, what is suffering? Second, what are the causes of suffering? Third, what are the ends of suffering? And the fourth one, what is the path of suffering, of end of the suffering? Okay, so these are the 4 paths or the 4 great truths which are being taught in Buddhism. So along with this, today's students, I am going to conclude my class over here. I will be meeting again back in the next class next Saturday. Till that time, take care and be happy.